Hey, what's up, Tricky Party people? I am Gio, your host and a player, and today we are playing a rematch of Catchphrase Uncensored. We're playing girls versus boys. In the previous video, the boys took it, but watch it because it was very close, and I feel like the girls could have taken it. That's why we're back today to prove to the boys that the girls are gonna take it.
Yeah, the girls are gonna take it.
Yeah, we're gonna take it. All right.
Song sucks.
Whatever.
Who sings it?
The No Hams.
No. Anyway.
No.
So for those of you that don't know how to play the game, here you go. Just a little clue. All right, girls team, ready?
What's green in the forest and it's really tall?
Tree.
Bam.
Wow, you just stole that from me.
You know why that's easy? Because there's a tree right there. Or it's a bush.
That's it. Yeah, you get it. Yeah.
By itself.
But the twist on this is that you don't get a point for guessing it correctly. You get a point when you pass it to the opposing team, and then they pass it to the opposing team. There is a timer. Once the timer runs out, the team that is left holding the game loses. The opposite team gets a point. All right? All right, who's going first? There you go.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Damn it, you guys go first. Who do you want? Go for it, Joe.
Joe go first.
Joe.
Okay. Are you ready?
Supreme!
Bring it for the
Supreme,
motherfucking wambo. Okay.
The Queen guys.
Oh, what the fuck is this?
There we go.
Okay. Now, think of a word that you've never heard before. You're gonna combine these things, okay?
Okay.
Now, what does 007 like to drink?
Martinis.
All right. What's the name?
Martini.
Okay, what's this guy known for? He went all over America and he fucking planted like a fruit.
Johnny Appleseed.
Okay, now the fruit.
Apple martini. Apple panini. Apple tagini. Buffini. Bikini. Piscini. Patini. 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 Appletini. Bam!
Okay, so you eat these. So it's not a donut. It's harder. It looks like a donut, but it's healthy.
What? Bun cake?
No, you buy these for us every morning.
A bagel!
Yes. Okay, that's the second word. The first thing is one of my favorite foods. Combine it. One of my favorite foods. Italian. It's a round thing.
Pizza! Bagel!
Okay.
Pizza bagel!
Yes.
When you do multiple. We didn't stand a chance. We didn't stand a chance.
A healthier version of a donut. I looked at your faces. You guys are like.
But you told get it every morning.
I was like, bagel. Bagel guys.
Bagels existed.
I was hoping you didn't get that one.
I thought it was such an easy thing to get. Oh, is it my turn?
Yeah.
Fuck, I just went.
You got this, girl.
I
What's
love
your word?
Yeah. Bagel, man.
What was it?
Multitasking.
Oh.
All right.
I didn't even get
Girls
that.
are great at this. Multitasking.
Everything.
Complaining. Oh no, that's not the one.
Alright, you guys ready?
Yeah, ready. Okay.
Oh, so this is a band that sings Delilah. The name of the band.
Oh my god.
Okay, so
Play my
When you don't win first, second, or third.
Fourth place.
No, it's a longer phrase.
Participation medal.
But another way.
It starts with a C, huh?
No, it does not.
Keep going.
Samurais are known for doing this.
Kill themselves.
Warriors are known for this.
Warriors.
And then you talk
Self-sacrifice.
about it. Think back first, second, third, and then at the tail end, what do you call those guys?
Losers.
But a nicer way to call them, though.
Try to keep track.
Keep going.
Alright, so the first word is
compensatory or something
it's like samurais, warriors, very noble, but what's another word?
Knight.
Nightly, stolen.
And then you talk about them. Honorable mention.
Oh!
I didn't know that was a
Back to you.
place.
Huh? It's like you're not first, second, or third. It's just you're off the list. But
But they just want to say this.
I was like, samurais are honorable.
Yeah,
And what else is honorable? I don't know.
Yeah.
It goes back to you.
There we go.
Warming up.
The things that the things that go on your feet.
Sandals, shoes,
but not the
chocolates.
shoe, not the shoe. The other part, the softer
Socks.
part. Okay.
Socks.
And then when you wanna put it
Sock it to
together.
'em.
What's the hot dog?
Hot dog
The
bun.
bread part. Okay.
Bun.
Okay, so then
Bun
the
socks.
other way around.
Sock buns.
All right.
Yes.
I don't know. I didn't even help.
So when you want to do a challenge, like we want to prove somebody wrong, so then like there's a face
Competitor.
It's like, oh, you know, you guys are. It's like you want.
Competing, you guys are a battling duel.
No. So So what's another word of like I'm heading over there? So like head. So it's a two-part word. So heading over is like, so if you're on your way, what's another word of saying on your way? You like
En route.
No, you're. Oh my God.
Bound.
Transit. No. So okay. But it's
You're
like when you're
going.
really competitive and you just want to bring someone.
Challenge, defender.
Yeah. You wanna smash them.
Damn it! What was it?
Going down. I don't know how else to
Oh, you're
Really?
going down.
Too literal.
Girl,
Oh, I didn't think
you're
that.
too innocent.
I mean,
Sorry.
Going down?
Yeah.
Airplane with a
Oh,
broken
I
wing.
mean,
You're going down, guys.
Yeah,
Like,
even
we were
that.
going down. Like we were.
Because you said going en route, we were stuck. It doesn't matter.
Oh,
That's alright, we fucked
because
up.
I was saying like
It's a
another
team
way-
effort. We
I'm
didn't do
sorry.
you.
You should have
It's
said
okay, Julio.
what is gonna
It doesn't
happen
matter.
to the girl team.
No.
Yeah.
It's alright. It's a team effort. We just weren't in sync. It's alright.
Okay, here we go. What? Okay. When we play craps, you know how there's like the line, so like you first place your bets and then the other bet. No, the other bet behind
That's what
it.
it's called.
But the other bet behind it.
back it up.
Yeah. So when you back it up, you're also like
Dancing,
So instead of
twerking.
saying triple, what's one that involves two? So instead of like
Double
triple.
down?
Okay. So the first word is that. The other
Double?
one is like
Double down is the first?
No.
Or double?
Yeah, double.
Okay,
and
double
then
back.
the other one
Double
is
back
like
up, double back it up.
no. It's like when you like
Double
jump.
rainbow, double leap.
So then what is
Double
this motion?
jump.
Like you're going
Double
over.
over.
Yeah.
Double over. Double
Yeah.
under.
Woo!
Double over.
oh shit!
Oh my God.
Oh wait, I pressed the wrong button. Oh fuck.
What do you mean?
I pressed that one instead of that. I got so nervous.
Wow, way to go.
I didn't know. I got nervous. I hit the wrong button.
Oh my God.
Well, it's not fair that Juliet goes again and stresses out. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna start that round. Nobody gets any points for that round, but then we're gonna end it to make up for that lost round. We're gonna end it again with Joe. All right?
Really?
Has everyone got that?
Yeah.
That's fair.
Okay.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay. So this is when a person has multiple characteristics. It's like
Schizophrenic.
it's on that tip. It's
Multiple
like,
personality disorder.
yes, but then what's a different type of ice cream that with a banana?
Banana split.
Okay, so that
Split
one.
personality.
Yes.
Okay, this is when you eat and it's like unlimited
Buffet.
eating. Okay,
All
there's
you
a
can
word
eat.
before that. It's the opposite of cold.
Hot buffet.
Yes.
That's not fair.
Why?
Okay, baseball players wear these type of clothing that goes over their feet.
Jockstrap, not jockstrap. Socks. Fucking.
But
long socks.
what kind of those though?
Long socks.
Yeah, but it goes up to their knees.
Tube socks.
Two
Bam.
socks. Ooh.
Oh my God. Okay, so these things fly in the air. What is that called? An animal that flies in the air. It's a
bird.
very big.
Bird.
Okay.
Hummingbird.
Okay, and if something falls on your head, what is that called?
Bird shit.
Yes. Woo! She got it. She got it. She got it.
That's so easy.
Damn.
Said
this-
tube socks.
I don't know. That's bird poop's easier.
Tube socks.
Tube socks is
Bird
harder.
poop is a hard phrase.
Bird poop is not that hard.
Tube socks
What's
is
that
an
thing that
object.
flies in the? It's
You know,
a bird.
you know what it
What
sounds
does it do? Bird
No,
poop?
you know what? I'm gonna take it as a compliment because that means I gave amazing clues. So I'll take it as a compliment. You have
Okay,
amazing
how would you say
clues.
tube socks? How would you say
Yeah.
tube socks? How would you say it? There
Go.
you go.
Tube socks?
Tube socks.
The way you said it. Socks that go right below your knees.
Imagine a cotton condom.
What?
Cotton condom.
There we go. Yeah, there we go.
Cotton
For your leg.
Yeah, cotton condom for your
He's
your
on
lower
your
appendage.
What you got? He's the one that asked the question, not me. You gotta defend yourself from me. Anyway, who goes next? Oh, you go.
Me?
Yeah. You
It's
said
a cotton condom.
So we got the point. So guys, quickly, boys have 1 point, girls have 3 points.
Damn it.
We're getting hard fucking water.
Yeah, we are.
Ready, girls?
Yeah.
Ready? Yeah. I can't see my girl teammate. I can't see. I need the connection here.
on purpose.
Okay, here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is another word for boobs. There's a lot.
Yes.
Keep
Knockers.
going. Yes.
No.
Oh my god.
God.
Okay.
Ow.
How much is $20 worth of weed? How much?
Dub sack.
The weight.
Dub.
An eighth, a gram.
Dub.
Bam.
Okay.
Oh wait.
Okay, when you're on the when models are on the
Runway.
No, but it's
Walkway.
another one. It's a
Walkway. Catwalk.
Yes.
When you have someone else take your car and into a lot and you pay them.
Valet.
Chauffeur,
Valet.
valet.
But put it all together.
Valet driver, chauffeur.
No, but the
Valet
lot.
attendant.
Parking
The
attendant.
action of it. The action of it. The
Parking
word.
the car. Parking.
Yeah, but the first word. The
Valet. Valet parking.
Yeah.
Valet parking.
Shit, hurry.
So when you want to see things in equal, so then you want to just say, oh, so if I do this,
I die.
yes. Woo!
What do you say when you go like this to people?
Peace.
Oh.
He's sad. He died.
deuces.
Was it peace out?
Yeah.
Oh, just this would have been good.
And you pieced out just now.
He was like,
It was so close.
oh my god. So now we're down to the very final round because it goes back to.
Oh, we got crushed.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's see if you guys can
Now,
catch
not
up.
really, because it starts on.
1, 2, 4.
Is it the last round?
Okay, ready?
Peace out, man.
All girls do this to make
Lie.
their husbands feel better when they don't want to have sex.
Give him a
Suck
blowjob.
my dick, blowjob.
Blowjob. Suck my hand job.
No. But they pretend to enjoy something. They pretend to
orgasm.
finish.
Orgasm. Oh.
Oh, me and him do it all the time.
You
so
fight
we
bigger,
say
better.
puny. What is that called?
Baby top.
Yeah.
Oh my god. When you drink too much, your head hurts.
Hangover.
It's also tool.
Migraine.
And
hurt.
you hit nails with it.
Mallet. Hammerhead.
Yeah, and then you drink.
Oh.
Put it all
hammer.
together. Yeah.
It's what Pat does for our shirts all the time.
Steaming.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
This is so think about what she doesn't have. She always forgets.
Brains.
She always forgets. No, she always forgets.
What the
Memory.
Okay, that one. And then when that part of your brain skips. When you have
Brain fart.
Brain fart.
memory lapse.
Memory lapse.
You should have said like fucking running around the stadium.
yeah.
Just like, oh, You said when she doesn't have a beer. And then we both said brain.
He kept pouring into his head. I was like, brain.
That's why I'm brain.
Fuck you guys.
Hey, it's okay.
Without brains and all, y'all got beat, motherfuckers.
Okay.
Alright, so the boys ended with 1 point.
That
And I
was
love
a
Ant
horrible-
because he made it really big just in case I couldn't do that math.
That was
So it's a really big one. You tallied it up for me. I appreciate you, Ant.
That was
But the
horrible.
girls are victorious and we didn't go down. You guys did because we got 5 points, baby.
We got memory lapse. You guys got fucking bird shits.
I know. Bird poop, dude.
Two
Yeah.
socks.
I know.
Alright?
Hey, it's hard.
Hey, you know what? It's okay, because the guys won, now the girls won. So I'm happy with that. And I hope you guys are happy with that too. Thank you guys so much for bearing with us and watching this intense game of Catchphrase. See you guys next time. Adios.
Bye.
Oh.